Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Kengal Hanumanthaiah. He was born on 10th of February 1908. He completed his school education from Kengal and Bangalore. He completed his Bachelor of Arts from the Mysore Maharaja College. He obtained LLB degree from Pune Law College. He was a member of Mysore Congress Working Committee. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from the princely state of Mysore on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like he was strongly against creating two houses, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, as he felt that the party in the power would always dominate both the chambers. He suggested that Delhi should not be the capital of country and argued that the location of the capital should be in the central provinces. He was absolutely not happy as regards the provisions of emergency. He felt that fundamental rights provisions are too complicated in their wording. He also spoke on the concept of freedom. He also spoke regarding the princely state and the center, what should be the relation. Let's see that. 8th of November 1948. Quote, I have read experts on constitution and one of the accepted tests whether a country enjoys freedom is to see how far the units and the local bodies enjoy freedom and autonomy. Before the states agree to come on par with the provinces, I am talking here for all units, states as well as provinces. They will have to be assured real autonomy and not autonomy to injure the interest of the state as a whole, but sufficient powers and responsibilities to manage their affairs well and efficiently. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.